In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to execute Apex code in the developer console, a fundamental skill for any Salesforce developer. Let's get started and walk through each step to ensure you're equipped to perform this task with confidence. First, you'll want to log into your Salesforce account. This step is pretty straightforward but crucial as it grants you access to all of the features of Salesforce, including the developer console. Once you've logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the Salesforce interface, particularly if you're new to it or haven't used it in a while. Next, navigate to the Setup menu, which you can access by clicking the gear icon located in the top right corner of the Salesforce homepage. From this menu, select Developer Console. This tool is your main environment for developing and debugging your Apex code within Salesforce, offering a range of features and functionalities tailored to support your development needs. Once you have the Developer Console open, head to the Debug menu at the top of the screen. From here, select the option labeled Open Execute Anonymous Window. This window is where you'll be able to write and execute short snippets of Apex code. It's called anonymous because the code you execute here isn't saved permanently in your Salesforce org, making it an ideal space for testing and quick tasks. In the Execute Anonymous window, it's time to type your Apex code. You don't need to include class or method definitions here, just the code to execute your desired operations. Before running your code, consider if you need to check the box labeled Open Log. This option is helpful because it allows you to automatically view detailed execution logs once the code runs, providing insights into how your code performs and diagnosing any issues that might arise. Once you've written your code and selected the Open Log option if needed, go ahead and click Execute. This action will run your code within the context of your Salesforce environment. Keep in mind that depending on the complexity of your code, execution might take a moment. Finally, to view the results of your executed code, switch over to the Logs tab in the Developer Console. This tab provides you with detailed logs about the code execution process. Here, you can analyze the logs for successful operations or identify any errors that occurred during execution. The logs are a valuable resource for debugging and understanding how your code interacts with the Salesforce platform. And that's it. You've successfully executed Apex code in the Developer Console. Practice this process to enhance your skills and troubleshoot effectively within Salesforce. Thank you for following along, and happy coding.